Hello, QuickBook users and enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. We love reading your feedback and comment. And the most popular question that we always receive is how to create estimates in QuickBooks Online. But before we jump into the nitty gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and tips. Now, providing estimates to clients or customers demonstrates, professionalism and transparency in your business dealings. If you have an accurate budgeting, estimating project cost or sales allows you to create accurate forecasts, helping you plan your finances effectively. There's customer expectation, time savings, easy conversion when the client, like for example, it allows you to convert estimations into invoices when the client approves the proposal, saving the effort of re-entering the data. Now, if you are using the same version that I am, you hover down to the upper left most part of the interface where it says new, click on estimate, below receive payment, and just like that. You are given a customer information, the billing address, the email ad, and the products and description. Now, if you don't have any customer yet, you can actually uh manually put some data. Let's say for the training purposes, easy expert, easy Earl. Now let's make it easy Earl. Let's say let's just make a training dummy account for now. YouTube.com, easy Earl and whatnot. Okay, say for example we save this information, name and contact. Well, we skip that part. Let's check if it's gonna push through. So there you go. You can actually customize the product as well, and the description and the quantity and all of that is all customizable. So you don't have to worry. And also it gives you a preview of the message when giving the estimates. Now let's click save and send. All right. How about this one? Something's not right. How about this one? It's not going through, but in summary, creating estimates in QuickBooks Online offers numerous advantages, including it improves professionalism, accurate budgeting, time saving, enhancing customer relationships. It's a valuable tool for businesses looking to manage their finances effectively and provide clarity to clients and customers. If you enjoyed this video and find it very useful, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.